is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. Regular oat note? Yes. Thank you. Got you.
Perfect. Perfect.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Friday. You guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a vlog. Today I'll be shooting with guys, it's our first time shooting together. I'm hoping he will do the shoots, like both of the shoots, because I have two concepts. You're gonna do the two shoots there, right? Alright, cool. So, when I go see them picture there, they'll be posted on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me at NaturallyMsToya on everything. Also, his socials will be in the description bar. If you're local and you want to do a photo shoot, I'm gonna have his info down there for you guys to check it out. Before we get started, you already know, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also drop me a comment down below. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I put out a brand new video. I hope you guys like my fro. I'm gonna cut off that one little piece that kind of annoy me. I did not get to shape it fully how I wanted, but I never have no time. Like, I literally started making this wig at about 11 o'clock last night, and I finished at about 2 sometime there. This is the kinky crush hair that I used in my realistic crochet braid video. I'm gonna link that up top and also in the description bar, and it's by Janet Collection. Yeah, I'm gonna just give it like a little bit more shape, change into the outfit. He's setting up. Still need to get the studio space set up so that the you know, the background looks like how I visioned it. You guys are just going to be along for the journey today. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Before we even get any further into the vlog, drop me a comment now and hit that thumbs up button now, because these vlogs are going to be rolling out. Of course, this is a birthday photo shoot. I hope to do 2 this year, so this is the first look. Yeah, as I'm telling them, I gotta sort out the look here, make it make more sense. But I know I wanted like a massive fro, so this is a wig, y'all. A wig, not even a crochet install, because I'm gonna have the patience not the time. So I just literally just made this into a little crochet unit, and of course I have my cane with them underneath this. So what we there? We up down, we up down, we up down, we up down. Yeah. Yes. Okay, my water. We need the scissors out of the car. Come on to put this on. Yeah. So you're gonna do this? Yeah. It pull? Where? I'm gonna ask him. But if I carry the ring light or no? I think I need it though. Yeah. Alright, cool.
Let me see some wrong, but can harm this mind. Baby, fix your crown, them can walk in mine. Me ever living proud, cause me heart be kind. I never singing loud, let me start this. Feel this, I love no seasonal. No. Dream big, dreams like a free a vision. Whoa, yeah. Well, I steady, make the pocket in, well, I jelly. I know any and every figure in a belly. Sang a chop, hurry up and call the paramedic. The boss back when me check it was me anesthetic. When you bought them, if you said that you pathetic. Cause them claim that the system capacitic. Remember Samsung weak out, never energetic. Not trade the roots in the end, you will show regret. Lock and twist it, lock and press. If you know I conceal it, lock and twist it, rock and live. If you are not child healing, lock and twist it, lock and twist it. If you know I conceal it, lock and twist it, rock and live.
Okay, so both legs were up, but one was like down slightly.
She actually have on her shoes.
She don't want shoes?
Because I use.
Alright, we'll trick that because I'm not one. Up as in up. Alright.
company and I like that. I'm gonna go right, and I agree.
Okay. There we go.
Pelican, tell me why you look so green. Reprimand, no fit do that to the key. Wall Street, turn your mindset on dollars. Wall Street, turn your mindset off bangers. If you're not search, you can't find it, no. Do a research, check the findings, though. Lock and twist it, lock and twist. If you know I conceal it, lock and twist it, rock and lay. If you are natural healing, yeah, healing, yeah, lock and twist it, lock and twist. Let me see some wrong, but can't harm this mind. Baby fix a crown, them can walk in mine. Me ever living proud, cause me heart be kind. I never singing loud like me start this. Feel this, I love no seasonal. No, dream big, dreams like a free of vision. Whoa, yeah. Well, I steady made the pocketing, well, I jelly. I know any and every figure in a belly. Sang a chop, hurry up and call the paramedic. The boss back when me check it was me anesthetic. When you go them cliff, you say that you pathetic. Cause them claim that the system capacitic. Remember Samsung we come.
Yes,
The one with the curtain.
yes, I know, like Lone improvising today.
So I said it blown out. You couldn't know the difference from the background and the clothes, the shirt. As you change it, start to see the difference.
Yeah. We got some shots.
Nobody even knows how
Yo, I love them there. Love. Love for real. Nice. We did it! Alright, babe, so I am home now. Night come down. I am so tired. I'm gonna get the hell out of this wig. Yo, I've been fooling people all day with this thing. Everybody believes I'm proud of myself. Whew. Child. By the way, this is my ebony crochet unit. The style is called Ebony. Natural Glam by Toya, guys. Get at me. It's legit just a crochet wig. It has the stretchy cap. I'm trying to show you guys. The cap construction is the mesh cap, the stretchy one. So this is she. So I'm gonna hang her up. When I do my chop, I'm gonna be doing stuff like this a lot. Stuff like this meaning protective styles, because I really am just, when I cut it, I'm just gonna need to give it some time to grow back. So I'm gonna go shower, see if I can get some sleep, and do some editing. Tomorrow is Saturday and we hope to do the next shoot on Tuesday, and that is gonna be fire. Hi guys, good morning. Today was Xoxo again, Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I'm about to do my hair and I feel like I might as well just cut it from now. I wanted to do an official video cutting my hair, but you know, I don't have time for that, so I'm gonna cut it to match the length around here, I guess, because as you guys can see, it's super uneven. So I'm gonna cut off all of this, just come down kind of low, and then put the locks on. We did outside all night, make the locks them. So we thought we had time yesterday to put them on, but we didn't have any time, so now I'm just gonna do it. This is literally the day of my second shoot, so I didn't plan to not have my hair done at this point in time. My hair was supposed to be done already, so I'm just going to cut it now, put in the locks them quick and fast, and then we'll just go on with the rest of our day. So stay tuned, guys. I don't know how it's gonna look when I cut it, but I guess we will see. is all like ended up cutting. I want to cut more, but the problem is my hair have to go lock, so I can't cut it too short. But even the ends of this, guys, like I really not like how my ends them look. I really want to cut off more, but if anything, when I take my locks out, I'll just literally chop, like do an actual chop, because look how my ends them. And I don't know, like at the second time this happened to me, you know, it's not like I have not used heat. When I use heat in my ear, but look there, you can literally see that my ends are split. I'll be cutting it again, but we're gonna just work with this for now. Sharks, cut right that stuff for me. Mad boy, yeah, man. Alright, so let's go. I am so excited, guys. This is the fit. Cool. This is Dakrome, guys, from Dakrome Productions.
What's up? You know, I'm learning to leave his long shirt
Yeah,
today.
yeah,
you know, if you stop
repping.
by, have a drink. We supporting our sister.
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, this is the space. This is where we're going to shoot. Renzo set up around us, so. And yeah, like, it's about to be like really, really lit. My locks are all the way down to my knees, as I promised you guys. Like, you saw that? Dopeness. So I'm gonna reapply this lipstick because it's irritating the crap out of me, like dead ass. But I have to just put it on back because it'll get on top of my nerves. If y'all are enjoying this and I don't know, just go ahead, smash that thumbs up button right now if you haven't hit it already.
Man, I pressure them. Them think of the past years. Tell them check out them.
Hot, hot, man, hot, hot. Brother, me hot, hot. Yeah, place, man, a place, man, a place. Place, man, a place, man, a place. Down in the city flames. Blaze, man, a blaze, man, a blaze. Wall time, man, hot, hot. Fire for me belly, that hot, hot. Under, when me drive it, hot, hot. Every girl when me have them, hot, hot. Man smell like semi winnie jackpot. Go low and it a kick like mud. Yeah, me say me hot, hot. More be a side, go and chop, chop. Be a girl a ball for the yacht daddy. But me can't fall in love, I'm sorry. One touch and me gone, baby, me not hurry. Girl, them a ball for sentimentally. Boy, go support them a die if you no like me. I know my fault, make your girl a hype me. Me get stronger the more them fight me. My fire ticket, everybody beside me. Up down, man hot, hot. Fire for me belly, that hot, hot. Under, when me drive it, hot, hot. Every girl when me have them, hot, hot. Man smell like semi winnie jackpot. Go low and it a kick like mud. Yeah, me say me hot, hot. More be a side, one chop.
Location 2, guys.
Location few.
Location.
Location. Wipe on anything here.
We're gonna be using the and the sun come out like the right freaking time, guys. Like pretty. Look at that. Zoom close, guys. Yes. What up, sir? Deliverance Center. Okay.
hot, hot. Man hot, hot. Brother, me hot, hot. Yeah, place, man a place, man a place. Place, man a place, man a place. Down in the city, city flames. Place, man a place, man a place. Wall time, man hot, hot. Fire for me belly, that hot, hot. Under, when me drive it, hot, hot. Every girl when me have them, hot, hot. Man smell like see me when he jackpot. Go low and it a kick like matla. Yeah, me say me hot, hot. More be a side, go and chop, chop. Be a girl a ball for the yacht daddy. But me can't fall in love, I'm sorry. One touch and me gone, baby, me not hurry. Girl, them a ball for sentimentally. Boy, go support them a die if you no like me. I know my fault, make your girl a hype me. Me get stronger the more them fight me. My fire ticket, never they beside me. Up down, man hot, hot. Fire for me belly, that hot, hot. Under, when me drive.
Okay guys, I am home, tired as hell. My head hurt me, I'm hungry, everything in one, but it was a really good shoot. Like, you guys are going to love these photos so freaking much. I'm really in love with these locks. You guys already know these are the Nubian locks. These are the new ones, the same ones that I had in on my vacation, but these are of course smaller and a longer length. This is of course knee length. I'm not really sure if we'll be offering this exact length as a service, but of course, you guys, if you want to inquire, mosquitoes start come out. If you want to inquire, just go ahead and shoot me a message on my WhatsApp. Booking info will be in the description bar if you guys want to book. But yeah, the shoot today was epic, guys. Like, so epic. My waist beads, so if I can show you guys these pretty little things. I'm gonna have her IG info in the description bar, guys. Like, you will be in freaking love. This one says goddess. Like, are you dumb? So cute. Yeah, so check her out for all your waist beads and your handmade jewelry as well. She's really, really good, and she's the one who makes my lock accessories. So if you do faux locks and you want some lock accessories, you can also hit her up. Yeah, the shoot was great. You guys are going to love the pictures, and yeah, if you guys want to see the pics, you know, you're gonna have to head over to my Instagram. So if you're not already following me, make sure not follow me now, girl. Like, so now I'm just gonna drink some water because I'm extremely dehydrated. I can feel it, and just chill with Marla for the rest of the evening. Tomorrow morning I have a 9:30 spa appointment. I have a pedi and a wax.
Money.
I have a pedi and a wax tomorrow morning. I am so excited. I've never waxed before. If I'm allowed to, I'm definitely gonna bring you guys in the room with me. You guys are y'all are gonna love that. So yeah, I'm just gonna change and just chill for the rest of the night and get ready for my appointment in the morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday the 10th. I am on my way to an appointment that I have to get my wax today. I'm gonna get waxed for the first time. Of course, Millie telling her this yesterday, so today is that day. Mar is in the back. Marley, say morning. Yeah. Yes, you're going to Auntie's house, right? Right. So I'm gonna drop her off. She go just go and chill this out with her cousin and stuff. I'm gonna run to Kingston also. I forgot to pop in. For go see ROMIE for brighten this for me. I for link him, so I'm gonna link him right now, make him know, you know, about what time may I come. But I'm going to be late for my first appointment, which is so annoying. But I beg that girl to buy something for me, I can't come. But I'm still link now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, so I am in the room. Let me show you guys what it looks like in here a little bit. So I'm gonna be laying there. My bag is on the door and stuff. I'm gonna be laying here. My head's gonna be up here. I'm trying to figure out exactly where I can place you guys for you to at least, you know, experience as much as you can with me. So there's a wax over there, and you know, all her little lights and stuff. So I'm gonna know if I'm gonna catch this. She's enough to be, you know, because it doesn't matter to her really. Oh my god. I wish there was somewhere here I could put you because this makes right here at least on the good side. I want you guys to catch like all the reactions. Hold on. Oh my gosh, where can I put it? If this was, I could hang it here, but I don't. I wonder if it would have stay. It's literally tilting to one side. Alright, I'll just hold it. Because the reaction is the reaction is what counts. So I'm gonna just hold it in my hand. I'm wondering if she has any. I saw her open it. I don't want to go in there. Anyways, I'll just wait until she comes back. Get comfortable. Yo, y'all better subscribe right now if you're not already subscribed because this is some serious shit, okay? Alright. I think I'm just gonna hold it. She said, hey! Mega flip up like a fish out of water?
I'm not sure. But let's see.
Oh god. Because this is the best way them can actually get my reaction. No, that's not enough to put it right now.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, you want your reaction to
Yes,
be shown?
yes.
Oh.
Like literally just my reaction.
Alright, so what you can do, like the first reaction,
Yeah.
and then
Then
if
we'll
it
go.
is that we can't hold it no more,
Yeah.
because at least you would have gotten more.
Exactly. I just want, I've never done it before, so I just want to, experience it with me.
Understand. And so I'm going to be touching. So I'm going to be pulling up it close. Anyway, my name is Trisha.
Hi, Trisha.
Right, so Natoya.
Yes.
And it's a pleasure meeting you.
Yes.
And thank you for choosing Shades of Elegance to do this kind of service.
Well overdue.
Okay. And I know it's a personal service, and I'm going to be chatting a lot.
Yes,
so
of
if
course.
it's a problem with your... Because my job is to ensure that you're as comfortable as possible. So this is, this is your first time, so I am going to be positioning you. Okay, the door is locked.
Yeah.
So. Just a little powder to keep the hair dry, and make your AC cool. You're going to be
man.
sweating.
Yeah, alright. Jesus,
That's
that's
what
a
I
mega
know when I'm doing my wax. I always sweat because
body heat, I guess. Yeah.
ready?
Yeah.
So I'm applying wax. What I want you to do for me is here.
Okay.
You're going to stretch it as stiff, as firm as possible. Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Oh, Jesus. I'm not think we're ready.
You ready?
No! I'm regretting this decision at this point. I can't feel it. Oh God. Oh God. Wait.
As soon as you're ready, tell me.
Okay.
It's not that bad.
I want to cry real tears. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is not going to be that bad, 'cause nothing is here. I'm just cleaning because you shaved the line.
Right. Michelle, if you're watching this, I am going to kill you. This is what you do to yourself? No, girl, it's just hot. Please tell me when you do this, like when it's not this much hair, it don't hurt this bad,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, all right. Oh, Jesus.
And it gets smoother each time because the hair grows back thinner.
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
it's not as coarse. It's
Oh,
not as
Jesus Christ.
rough. Ensure you pull. Once you pull, it's not as hard here. It's not as hard. Just pull. Just pull as hard as you can.
I can't I sweat, okay.
I tell you.
I'm gonna pull one on. Come on.
No, man,
My hand slippery.
Wasn't ready. Take deep.
Jesus Christ. She never reached down far. My strength. Alright. I feel like my cry. Come and see I do that with your hand, no?
No, you're crying. That's why. I don't know why you're crying. So you alright?
No.
Just take. Let's take deep breath. Deep, deep, deep. I'm not done nothing yet. Alright, so I'll do it in pieces. Next time it won't be like this one.
Definitely. I'm not gonna wait that long.
It won't be. Once you maintain,
Yeah.
it's as easy as maybe 10 minutes. Because usually it takes me like 10 minutes
Yeah.
to complete once. But this is going to take me a little time as I can see. Stretch. Come give me a stretch down here. So bring it on down. Right. Alright, come on. Down good. Okay.
Guys, looking down there, like you will be happy with the end result, but please don't wait long like me. Don't wait. Okay. We're almost done.
Yeah. Almost done. Want to turn on your side? That's it here.
Oh Lord,
Wash.
this I got at.
No, you're not feeling it.
She said,
True, true.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Elevate from the state where them charging for great. Charging. Where them tarnishing fate. For the sake of the stake. They mean the sake of the snake. Babe, lock it, stack it. Rock it, keep it lit like a socket. Babe, lock it, stack it. Rock it, keep it lit like a socket. Aren't you the one that's chosen? If you're the one that's doomed, I live like I've been chosen. Not homeless, live my flow. Fame, wear it like a rich and happy child. Can't block me traffic, me not happy drive. Just tell me say fi keep it energized. You blue because you feel me have a choice. Blessings all upon me like a child. Now when you see me gon' greet you with a smile. Me ladies say fi keep it with a style.
Bathroom break. Before I leave, I got my pedi and I got my wax. That wax experience, guys. I'm reaching out the camera to them, but yeah, I love my toes though. They look really nice. And I'm keeping white, like from now on. So I'm gonna leave and go up a bit, you know.
Fresh, crazy as a mistake play. We got them love putting on my straight jeans. Look on the sauce like baby. Now, anyone in a shit step a baby. Girl around me don't miss me they a PJ. Someone hide with a bag of waste. Don't me live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. Oh, God, on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. Friendship them a sell and me no buy none. So them no better live it to the Bible. We don't have money here to them. While we fight, while we dead. My blessings are fall like rain is fed. Yeah, mama, bitch, she can't see me and she have to look twice. One girl in a phone, them all again is 42 country in every parish. International luxury and lavish. Kicks them, king of the nation. Yeah. Girl, I'm like a big chest. All about the numbers like dice. Try stop the money and grace. Now save even if it don't spice. I just want to leave. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move. When you raise the bulls, she like the way I hurt.
Okay guys, so I finished. I got my tat brightened and I got a new piece. I got a monarch butterfly and this is like swollen as hell right now because I naturally have swelling skin. So the reason why I got the butterfly was because, and you guys know I only get tattoos for like symbolic times in my life. I feel like this is the year when I evolved, this is the year that I changed, this is the year that I stopped limiting myself. So I had to get this butterfly, like it was burning. This is like a burning sensation, like yo, you just get this. Since my incident, I have learned not to save things for last minute. Like anything you want to do, baby, do it, because you may never know when is your last time, when is your last chance. So I decided to get this tat. It's something that I've been visioning for like a very long time. So yeah, one more to add to the collection. I'm gonna tell him like, yo, if it was up to me, I would be really tatted, like really tatted, because when you have not flinch, it don't really have nothing to do with the pain. But me, no, I literally only believe that you should get tatted when it's something symbolic, like a special moment in your life. So I do want to get that piece for my grandma. I really don't know when I'm going to get it, but I'm definitely going to be coming back here to get it because I really love this work. So guys, I got a salad from Marcy Frey Salads. I'm literally ticking a lot of things off my bucket list in this one day. How beautiful is this? Like, well, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out and show like a back of you with the back camera. Cause girl, this shit smells so good. But can't wait to start eating. Oh God! Hold on. And I had to do this with the flash. Are you kidding me? Are you dumb, girl? Like, everything is in this bad boy. Everything. I love. I know it's gonna taste good. I got for my dressing. I got honey mustard. But yeah, look there. Gorgeous. So that is going to be lunch, and I'm just gonna sit here, have my salad, and just leave when I am done. It'll hurt me, which is why I can't wait until I reach home to eat this. Like, this is gonna be my first meal of the day, and it is now shit. It's now 3:30. It's very bad of me, but I could have done better today. I had to hurry up and, you know, get what I'm getting done. So I'm going to go pick up Marla when I leave here and go home, and I'm excited. Oh God. I didn't have the right amount of spice. Are you dumb? I do wish I got more dressing than this though, because I love honey mustard. Oh, that make it kind of runny, so that's a plus, right? Guys, you have to learn the art of eating on the go. I have the right amount of spice. Oh my God. You know, people can literally eat with their eyes. Literally. Don't call it a mukbang, but you guys know I'm always eating in our videos. Always. Oh. I was about to say where I put my phone, but I'm vlogging with it. Tired of myself. So when I ordered the salad, I told her no beetroot, no freaking pineapple, and no cabbage. But I shouldn't remember. But I kind of glad she never remember, because it actually tastes really good. Alright guys, I feel like you've seen enough of me eat. Sorry for talking with food in my mouth, but I'll talk to you guys later when I get home. You're gonna be like, you again? You were just here yesterday. Anyway, stop now.
Happy birthday. This is your day. Always stand for you, to love you in every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. Regular oat note? Yes. Thank you. Got you. What the? Where's everybody going? Yo, I will never forgive you guys for this. You also. We just chatted up yesterday.
I'm in the room again. I'm about to get a massage. I had no idea they got me really good. It was a surprise and everything. Yeah. I still find it funny, but I'm gonna change off in the stuff. I have to change in a robe and put on the slippers with them give me, and I'm gonna try to relax at this point in time. Yo, they got me good. Staff at Shades of Elegance, I am mad at you guys. Guys, I want to go on Instagram Live after this, but I don't want to do it here. I want to do it at Moses. So I'm gonna see how the timing works out. Alright babes, so that was one of the most amazing experiences I've ever experienced in my life. No cap. I'm getting dressed. I just had a full body massage, a body scrub, and a facial. Girl, like when I'm reaching out the car, I'm telling them, like that's probably gonna have to be like another part of the video. I need to get dressed. It's raining cats and dogs outside, and I need to figure out where to get some cake. I haven't eaten. It's like after 2 maybe. Is it? Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit more and see what else is in store for my day. If I don't check back in with you guys, I'll definitely check in tonight. Oh. Take that off your mouth.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday to you!
Oh, thank you.
I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Happy birthday to you.
Aww, can I get a huggy?
Yes.
Thank you for wishing me happy birthday. You want to sing it again?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yes.
Sing the happy birthday song again. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come over here. The sun is blocking you. Come again now. Sing it now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Take your time
Happy
now.
birthday to you. I miss you.
May the good Lord bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Cookie, you just got from my appointment book?
Hooray!
Hey guys, I'm finally home and I just stay so chill. I've actually been here chilling for the past couple hours, just literally replying to all your comments, and you guys are so amazing. When I'm not, like, I swear y'all don't even know. Okay, so for my birthday, if you guys want to do anything for me, I know by the time you guys see this vlog it's going to be late, but for my birthday I want you guys to support my merch. YouTube has a section for you to do merch, and I've been wanting to do merch for you guys for the longest time. So it's a Teespring merch. I'm gonna have the link to the stuff in the description bar. Just buy something. I think I'm gonna do shirts first, so but my day was amazing. The person who did my massage today, I forgot her name. Sienna, something like that. Serena. You girl, yeah. She was so good. Guys, I did a facial, I did a body scrub, I did a soak, and then I did a massage, a full body massage, and it was amazing. Like, I can't wait for it because I didn't like them as supposed to do. And I can't believe I didn't drink today. I didn't drink anything at all today. That's weird. And it's 9 now, so I know I'm not gonna drink again. But guess what? The drink up is tomorrow, so I got chill. I guess I'll drink enough for all of that tomorrow. But yo, ROMIE, pick up your damn self. Like, my butterfly is so cute. Legit exactly what I wanted, yo. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really don't know what's on the agenda for tomorrow except me going to drink. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. And for all the birthday wishes, guys, y'all are amazing. Like, everybody who wished me happy birthday on Instagram, on Facebook, y'all the real MVPs. I just want to take this opportunity to wish all my G fam, I guess I can say by extension G, L and R from Glenmere High. Backstory: when we were in high school, there was like a whole group of us that were like Gemini babies that were born like one day behind the other, probably from about the 3rd or 4th of June, go straight back to the end of the month. So like, yo, I don't know, I might not remember everybody's name, but big up to all my Gemini gang from high school. Scribble and next week, Scribble to Mark, Taji, Raheem, me, Shamon, Shanique, I feel like me and left for a whole heap of people. I really can't remember who else was in the gang. It was a lot of us, like all my Gemini peeps. If I forgot your name, don't pray me. I literally have brain fart like every day of my life now. Yo. I think I want to do a video of my high school experience. Tell me if you guys want to see that. I can talk about my high school experience and I like a story time or something. But yeah, there was a whole barrage of us who had the same birthday. So all my Gemini peeps, my gang, big up on yourself. Happy birthday to you guys. More life, more prosperity. And everybody born in June and for the rest of the year, your birthdays to come. Happy birthday. This was definitely a memorable one for me. Like definitely a memorable one for me. I just know this ink is really symbolic, and I just want to constantly be reminded not to ease up, not to hold myself back or cage myself in, but just to spread my wings and fly. And that's the reason why I got this one. So this one is probably the more special of the three that I have right now. Yeah, like really, really, really special to me. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Wait, the vlog not done. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I've been wasting a long time.
Are you with them? I don't know. Yeah, a tree.
I'm gonna ride this one and find it.
You know how I think this will be snap together. What you do?
Sorry, now.
Miss Lovely over there. Where I go? Video for video. Where's a video for video, Ash? Yeah. Who there? Who there? They never met that up. Old man. Snap some snap. Yo, when I eat my edibles, I'm worried. What? Video! She bought it. Hey, come back here, come shine the light. Yeah, turn on the light there, brother. Yeah, so we know where to do.
Totally. Totally.
Alright guys, so I took out this earring because it was getting on my nerves. But that's it for this birthday vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, I never do no lashes. I did no lashes tonight. I did no friggin' makeup. I was just chilling, guys. I was just chilling, literally. But yeah, I'm so buzzed. Thank you, Ashley, for buying me those edibles. I haven't had them yet, but you guys, I think I'm gonna film that so you guys can see what it's like having some edibles. I've never had edibles before. But my night was great. It was literally probably like only an hour, but it was great. Big up to my bro Chad, big up Rad, big up Dominic, big up Julie, big up Sam, oh my god, big up Jiggy. Yo, who stepped forward out for me? Big up Brit. Ah shit, I hope I'm not leaving out anybody. OB, big up yourself. Like, yo, tonight was great. Tonight was great. I want to have more nights like this. The curfew thing mashed up everything and everybody had to go home and all that stuff, but it was a good time. I had a great time. I had a great time. I'm looking forward to more times like this. Definitely this year when things kind of somewhat return to normal. Hope the breeze from the fan isn't bothering you guys too much, because I really hate when I'm listening back to it, when I'm editing, it really annoys me. So I'm sorry about that, but it's really hot here, guys. Like, it's really, really hot. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for your support, for your love. I went live on Instagram today. I am going to include probably like, a little bit of that so you guys can see because I went live on IG. Of course, if you're not following me on Instagram already, I don't know why I do this, girl. Follow me up on IG. If you're not already subscribed, y'all already know, hit that subscribe button. Alright, we're going hard with the vlogs, we're going hard with the tutorials, we're going hard with everything, because we need to get to 100k by December, guys. Make it happen. Tell a friend, tag a friend, share all over the world. Alright, so yeah. Yes, baby. What? Hi. Why are you not asleep? But yeah, I'm just gonna get out of these clothes and get some sleep. I have work at 8. No, stop. Oh, sorry, I have work at 8 in the morning. Yeah, I'm tired. Thanks guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.